Guanera, yung namira ko na po niya duwe mo. Mokokdo. Guanera, namira ko na po.
It's okay.
Ano nga didi?
Mfaneba ka mo, meru rescue.
Iya, upani ba na yan ede meyo?
Abang,
Medike biko.
abang menila.
Sila pidi biko.
Maybe na wrong me hindi ko.
Paniko. Ofuna man. Ami makima. Medike biko. Doko nyoko me.
Great day bang.
Alpha now.
Abasi. Aya sakiri nzo kodoko.
Kati alpha.
Awara de.
Amesa na bongonye.
Aya sangari nanga.
Come closer now. It's not that far.
Great.
Nzo kunya nanga re.
Awuri.
Awuri de. Wo. Doko yemin sida hidi biko.
They say waiting carry you come before that.
Hey, Abion, that's a good question. He's a child as I stand here. I'm a quiet person. I used to sing in the choir.
Aya doko hidi.
Bokido me kwaya.
Nsidi kwanya.
Mbono na mo yom kufa basi.
Ono sida uta.
All those woo. Me wa bang.
Edi mana merda duba.
Me see what so sing.
Edi single. Nsidi single.
That's plural.
Nsidi plural.
Bono ye bebe.
Mana merda duba.
Iyo mebe.
Ono yemin sitba.
So
Carry your interpreter now. Wow.
kaisoko me yemi mbodom.
Whatever. So now, there's another sister in the church, Sister Margaret. Sister Margaret, her sister used to tell me. Every time she sing, she would do as if she's the only person that can sing in the church. And when she sing, they will give her standing renovation. Yes.
Abang mando di orang ke wan.
Akino.
Ateke ni sister.
Nsidi sister.
Das yene ka wan amo ke kwaya. Kero ma kwai kwai no nye me standing renovation. Me profession ke ka.
Awara de.
Guys, ndi tie no nye.
What? Tie no ye.
Ne ma na me we tie mi o ba no nye standing renovation
Ah.
Sa bodo official da renovation tie.
Afumeri yong wero.
Ba mi kedo.
Esa sema.
Ko todo.
Ono yemin sitba.
So wetin you want?
This guy they confuse me with interpretation, no problem. So now, I want you people to contaminate Sister Margaret's voice. Let my voice be outstanding.
Aya doko hidi.
Naboke ya contaminate sister voice.
Nsidi contaminate.
Guys, ya ibri bian.
Oh, ibru yo semong ya.
Do ma kwa di biru yi kwa.
Ari ndabi den tu yo fo.
Okay. Ayo mo ke sister do ban tu yi kwa ma kwa me we di dada ya.
So ndino yo semong.
Ade name ado ma kwa me we tong sang di mo me fa de kwa ba no.
Senyo yom de yo.
Bam.
Wo. Doko yemin yesi ko kiti kwa kwa.
You don't sing for church before.
No. But I used to sing children choir, children. So now I won't upgrade my level to a better standard.
Aya doko hidi.
Ate gi yung isi ko ino to yan. Ke children choir.
Awara de.
Guys, kwa me twinkle. Okay,
mira, yan, guys,
Listen, ya na mo yum do yem mo. So take him you me upgrade.
Nsidi upgrade.
That's the phone. The phone ma you me upgrade from Nokia to Samsung. You me upgrade to me Esco.
Awara de.
Ba wo keso.
Faranye. Ebedi.
Bam.
Doko ya kanya ko isi kwa de.
Oh yeah, sing, let's hear from you.
I should do ministration.
Boma.
Whatever. Okay. Rubber.
Sina yabo raba.
Sandals. Okay, come back. Lift your hands.
Ado ko hidi.
Mira po ba?
Apasi.
Lift it higher.
Manara po ya.
Marabare.
Lift it above your head.
Aya ubo ko yang ni na.
Come on, lift it to the sky. Lift it
You
above.
say young one fly before we bring our hand there. What's up now?
No, I the spirit read.
Spirit word fear.
Same to you, man.
Ito.
Alright, are we ready? Let all of us like control our spirit together. Let's be in one accord.
Sidi ko na god.
That's so like according to our number.
Ah.
That's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I can hear you, Rod.
Awara de.
So we go babasi.
You make my life so beautiful. Which voice is there? Do you know?
But I don't know you
That's tenor.
City tenor. City tenor.
Guys, I'm the president. Tenor mama when I yes.
Alright now, so we enter the label.
City
Yes,
treble.
you
Barophone.
have made me your
Jesus is Lord.
We
City
enter.
tenor sakit.
Okay, now we now enter auto.
You be mumu.
There's nothing greater than this. We now enter bass.
That's why I love you forevermore. I
I was in the spirit
Which
now.
kind spirit? Come down. We don't need more of you again.
Ah.
We don't do.
Hakim. Nsuto.
Kai, don't cut me short.
you keep quiet?
You want you go.
You know, I was flying the rim. I was there.
Continue.
Vision.
Sumpo ke yamia.
Which rep?
Okay, don't you mean you nam so no ida.
Okay, what thing you want me to do for you now?
God is wonderful. So now, you see the energy. I have the energy. So now it's dirty voice. I want you to balance my voice. Understand? Balance my voice. Interpret for him.
I don't want it.
I will give you a balance to you.
City balance.
Come here, you go. So you must down and join your balance.
Okay, now you
I don't
I
care.
kid.
Understand? Let it be like Selena Idiom. Yes,
I don't
Selena
know.
Idiom
I
voice.
will give you a balance to you more.
Selena Idiom.
City
That person
Selena.
that do Titanic.
You be mumu.
For Titanic.
Whoa, I'm
You-
saying name you me back again with.
Selena Idiom.
What? Selena Idiom or the Wabba gave you Makara.
Oh, you makara. I see me ko yari.
Hey!
Most makanya. So for you mneriero. Oh.
Yay, to an yambom.
I mean you game go.
I make a pedo Celine Sado Selena Idiom and you do Nigerian fashion. Yay, mama.
City Nigerian fashion.
That's copyright.
City copyright.
We get it. I'm saying what now. Even you will.
Okay, you copyright Selena Idiom ke Nigeria.
Bam.
Don't you mean you give an am seeing it all in your name?
They say whether you will feel do what they say, make you know.
I'm capable.
I don't want it. Oh, what are they?
Mika mi tanko bro.
Oh, mama, oh, you think I am asking for? Can you sit down to Kunu? You pop to listen over what you have a women, even women, probably time over it, and I'm today who may tackle you see Mama.
Shy.
What are they?
They say you got a top 2 cups in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the evening. You'll be like Celine Dion and Rihanna.
Chop Pepe.
Clearer voice.
I go take on Chop Pepe and I go call to me. For my
Now it
belly.
go help you from that belly, now it go inside your throat. From there your voice go clear.
My overcourse, you know this time my overcourse.
You know go disturb all those places go
So, can you have me
well, what's
Ha! This is where they hash you. Can you Chop Pepe? No, I don't want to sing again, but forget about it.
What do you mean? I don't want
That they give me big number.
it.
You know one do
I
again.
don't Chop Pepe, no. Can
So-
die before my time now.
And you will not jealous your friend
I
again.
don't wash my ankle, I will go to Osha for my friend. The lady sing is according. She had a talent. Know what I can do, Osha, please.
What answer?
Not taking my yumi go equal back here in a pasha.
And City Osha.
But no, they may work it up.
Know what I can do, Osha.
My hero, oh, Bonnie, but you need me.
About me.
No, often I want me. But you want to my young Nico for a vaccine. Guess it would don't. But Mike Nam, but I see the other.
Lift your head above your head.
How are they?
I want you would what this up.
Abasi.
Done.
Who would a warrior? See, don't want Niginamo, you better you want to my young Kunamaro. If young Singing and gay is you know, fantasy among. I see you go up.
They say no one go do choir again. They sing, they do lift your head above your hand. About money.
You don't even know what you're talking about. So let's say, for example, I go Chop Pepe right now, still pay you money.
I don't know.
From I take what he making and paper wood again. If I need him and I need pay work.
And I blame your gong now.
I'm not forget that I this table for you. What's that one? How can I pay when you don't give me solution? You don't solve my problem. I can't pay you. Can you chop it? I be Jordan person with pepper. I be Jordan with pepper. Excuse me, Jare.
419.
That's Yahoo.
Nsiri Yahoo.
Toto.
And you idiot.
Afo.
Ami. My hero.
Abasi.
Our ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Love Nation Entertainment. See you next week. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. Comment. Alright, thank you, Kwai Boom. Thank you, Uyo. Thank you, Cross. Thank you, Aqua Cross. Thank you for supporting us doing Uforoka live on station, Uyo. But guess what? We are doing it again in Eket. Uforoka live on station in Eket. 27 December. Please come and show us love again. Eket, let's do it. Eket, I know people can do it. Maybe
No, they don't follow us.
it is show love. Ticket is 1K. VIP 3K, table for 20 and table for 50K. Please, for sponsorship, we really need sponsors, we need supporters. You have been doing it, please do it again. Call this number, call us and sponsor us, please. We appreciate and also promote your brand and company. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you.